Well, hello to our Elegance family. If you're new and viewing for the first time, we also welcome you. We would love to have you as part of the Elegance family. We would love if you would hit that subscribe button to your right and make sure to turn on your post notification so that you will be notified every time we post a new video. Today, we are showing you how to make a beautiful centerpiece for a wedding or any special event that you might have. So if this is a project you think you may be interested in making, just continue to keep watching. The materials you will need for this project will be 2 wine glasses from the Dollar Tree, 2 candle holders from the Dollar Tree, a styrofoam from the Dollar Tree, a ground glass mirror from the Dollar Tree, 2 bunches of roses from the Dollar Tree, 2 small brooches from Hobby Lobby, satin ribbon from Walmart, and a stem of golden leaves from the 99-cent store. Now the 2 brooches and the leaves we picked up a while back at the Hobby Lobby and the 99-cent store, so I'm not for sure if they're going to carry these particular brooches or leaves. You can use any brooch of your choice or leaf filler of your choice. And you do want to clean all of your items because it does look so much better when you finally complete your project. We turn the mirror upside down in case the rose ball centerpiece will be on a mirrored table. You won't see the styrofoam or the black that's under the mirror. All you will see is mirror to mirror. Now, before you apply your rose ball to your mirror, you do want to put your crystal knobs onto the mirror first. We forgot to put them on, so that's why we're doing it now. If you want to make this permanent, then you will use a permanent glass glue. These are the candles in the Dollar Tree that has the little black tea light holders inside. We just removed the tea lights and made it a glass candle. This part is optional. It is up to you on how you would like to decorate your candle holders. We chose to use ribbon and brooches because we think it looks very elegant and nice, but it also looks really pretty bare as well. Now, if you like to, you can glam out your rose ball. You can have it more on the elegant side or however you want to create your rose ball. We just wanted to give it more of that soft, elegant look. So we didn't put too much in it and we just put a little hints of the gold ribbon and a little hints of the gold leaves. So this does complete our tutorial for today. And if you enjoyed this tutorial, please give us a thumbs up and let us know in the comment bar below if you enjoy these type of videos and if you would like to see more of these type of videos. Also, we did do this centerpiece in a lavender as well. Let us know which one was your favorite. If you have not joined the Elegance family, we ask that you do so at this time so that you will receive all notifications every time we post a new video. Until next time, may God bless you and keep you, and we will see you on our next video. Bye.